Morning class 10. This is your part 2 video from arithmetic and geometric progression, and this is your exercise 9.2. Okay, and so today we start from the question number, that is question number 8. In question number 8, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. What the AP? 3, 8, 13, dash 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 253. You check it out. What the question? Question is find the 20th term from the. Okay, so our AP is given. We know that the last term formula, that is L equals to A plus N minus 1D. L is given last term, that is 253. A means that number we find. Okay, N 20th term minus 1, and D for difference. So difference is, we know that the formula difference A2 minus A1. What the A2? First term, second term is 8 minus 3, that is 5. So 253 equals to A plus 19 into 5. 253, that is A plus 95. So therefore A equals to 253 minus 95, that is 8. So the 20th term from the last term, that means from this side is 158. Okay, now question number 11. Determine the AP whose fifth term is 19 and difference of 8th term from 13th term is 20. Determine the AP whose fifth term is 19 and the difference of the 8th term from the 13th term is 20. Okay, determine the AP, that means what? Series. Okay, so first of all, what is given? Fifth terms is 19, that means fifth term is A5 is 19. We know now how to write that: first term, second term, third term, fifth term. That's why we written 5 here. Okay, and the given is difference of 13th term minus 8th term. That difference of 8th term from 13th term is 20. Okay, so now time to write the formula. Fifth term is A plus N minus 1 D equals to 19. So A plus N means fifth term, that is 5 minus 1 D equals to 19. So A plus 4D equals to 19. So this is our equation 1. Here is A plus N minus 1D minus, for this portion, A plus N minus 1D is equals to 20. So A plus, in place of N we write down 13 minus 1D minus A plus, in place of N we write down 8 minus 1D equals to 20. So A plus 13 minus 1, that is 12D minus A plus minus 8 minus 1, 7 into this, 7D equals to 20. So plus minus cancel, 12D minus 7D, that is 5D equals to 20. Therefore difference equals to 20 upon 5, that is 4. Okay, so putting the value of D, so A plus 4, in place of D we write down what? 4, so equals to 19. So A plus 16 equals to 19. Therefore A equals to 19 minus 16, that is 3. Okay, so we get the first term, that is A and the difference is 4, then determine the AP. We know how to write the AP, that A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. We know now, this is the pattern to write the AP series. So A is 4, and A is 3 and the difference is 4, positive 4. So A plus 3, that is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 15. So this is your AP. Okay, A is given now 3 and the difference is 4. So add the 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 4 15. Question number 14. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 6th term is 17.3. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 68 and 6th term is 73. Okay, so 11th term, that means 11th term is 38 given and 6th term, that is 6th term is 73 given. So A plus n minus 1D equals to 38. So A plus, in place of n, write 11 minus 1D equals to 38. So A plus 10D equals to 30. This is your equation 1. Okay. Now A plus n minus 1D equals to 73. So A plus, in place of n we down 6 minus 1D equals to 73. So A plus 5D equals to 73. This is your equation 2. Use the substitution method. Okay, that means find the value of A from this equation. Otherwise solve equation 1 or 2. Solve equation 1 and equation 2. We get A plus 10D equals to 30 and A plus 5D equals to 73. So A plus A minus cancel, minus minus. So this is 5D minus 73, that is minus 43. 30 whose 11 is 38 and 6 38 na, that is 38. Okay, so D equals to minus 35 by 5, that is minus 7. So difference is minus 7. Okay, now time to find out the value of A. So putting the value of D in any equation. So putting value of D in equation 1. So A plus 10D equals to 38. So A plus 10, in place of D write down minus 7 equals to 38. So A equals A plus minus minus 70, 38. So that is A equals to 38 plus 70. So first number is 108. Okay, so the first number is 108. Determine the 31st term. Question is about what? Find the 31st term. So 31st term, that is formula is A plus n, in place of n we directly write it down what? 31D. So A is 108, okay, plus 30 minus 1, that is 30, in place of D write down minus 7. So 100 plus minus minus 210, that is minus 102, because the difference is minus na. So with the number preceding it getting minus and minus, so the answer is come in the minus form, because you see the 11th term is 38 and 6th term is 73. Okay, note. Question number 17. In question number 17, if 8th term of an AP is 0, prove that its 38th term is triple of 18th term. If 8th term of an AP is 0, then prove that 38th term is triple of 18th term. Okay, first of all, question is given that A8 term is 0. That means formula is A plus n minus 1d equals to 0. Okay, so A plus, in place of n we write down 8 minus 1 equals to 0. So A plus 8 minus 1 7d equals to 0. So A equals to minus 7d, write it down. Prove that 38th term is triple of 18th term. Okay, so A38 is triple of A18th term. Prove that these two portions are equal, that is LHS equals to RHS. So LHS, that is 38th term, A plus n minus 1d, that is A, in place of n we write down 38 minus 1d, in place of A we write down 7d. Okay, A is minus 7d plus 38 minus 1, that is 37d. So you get here 30d, and you write putting value of A. Okay, now RHS is 3A18, that is 3. Formula is A plus n minus 1d. So 3, in place of A again you write down minus 7d plus n place is 11, because we find out 18th term, 18th minus 1 d, so that is 3 minus 7d plus 17d, so equals to, that is 3 into 10d, that is 30d. So you see that LHS or RHS both are equal, and what you write here, that 38th term is triple of 18th term. So you prove that LHS equals to RHS, both answers are coming the 30d. Okay. Question number 20, how many 2 digits number are divisible by 3? How many 2 digits numbers are divisible by 3? Okay, so 2 digit number, we know that the number divided by 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, but question is mentioned 2 digit, that means starting from 12. Okay, that means 12 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3, 18 divided by 3, 21 divided by 3, and goes on up to 99, because we know that 99 is also divided by 3. Okay, so you get the number. This is our AP series. So how many? We just counted out the numbers. Okay, so A is 12, first number. Difference is, know that A2 minus A1, that is 15 minus 12, that is 3, and the last term is also given 99. So formula is L equals to A plus n minus 1d. So in place of L we write down 99. A is 12, we don't know n, how many n, that means how many numbers are there, and D is 3. So 99 minus 12 equals to n minus 1 into 3, that is 87. This 3 come by 3, n minus 1, that is 29 equals to n minus 1. Therefore n equals to 20n plus 1, that is 30. So from here to here, that is 30 numbers, those who are divided by 3. Okay, note.